Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your oatmeal tortilla wrap from scratch to finish. But before we start, I would like to say thank you to everyone who has been watching our videos. Thank you for all the lovely comments you've been leaving behind, and thank you for subscribing. If this is your first time watching our video, you're welcome. Please like and subscribe. For my oatmeal tortilla wrap, I'll be using my old-fashioned oats, and I also have some salt and some olive oil that I'll be using. First, I'll measure the oats into my blender. I'll be using 3 cups of oats. If you have access to oat flour, you can use that. For me, I prefer to process mine. This way I'm sure there are no preservatives. The type of oat matters. I get really fluffy wraps when I use the old style oats. I'll go ahead to blend it into a powder form. I want a smooth consistency, so I'll blend for at least a minute. You can blend for a longer or shorter duration depending on your blender. Ensure you're able to get a smooth consistency.
I'll proceed to sieve my blended oat flour to be sure I have a fine consistency. So I'll do bit by bit. I won't be putting everything at the same time. You can still proceed to make the dough without sieving it, but I just want to have a very fine flour, hence I am sieving. Alright, we're done sieving. This is how our flour is. It looks fine, so we'll go ahead to make the dough.
To make the dough, I'll boil 2 cups of water.
Our water has gotten to a boil.
I'll go in with a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of olive oil.
It's now time to pour my oat flour into the boiling water. I'll mix this. Okay, just go ahead to mix it. Make sure everything is well mixed. At this point, my dough is well mixed, so I'll just leave it on a low heat for a minute. At this point, I've transferred my dough into this bowl. I'll try to knead it so that everything mixes properly. By kneading it this way, I'll just cover it
and leave it to cool for 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes. I'll transfer our dough to the board and knead further. Before doing that, ensure to coat your board with some flour so the dough doesn't stick on the board. I'm using some corn flour for this. You can use any flour of your choice. You can use the oat flour or all-purpose flour. This is me kneading the dough. It's all coming together nicely as I want it. I'll be scaling the dough into smaller sizes. Let's see how many we can get from this dough. Wow, I got 6 portions from the dough, which will in turn give us 6 tortilla wraps. I'll be rolling my dough now. To do this, ensure to coat your board with a generous amount of flour so that your dough doesn't stick to the board. Also, as you progress in the rolling, endeavor to check on the dough by raising it and probably adding more flour where it seems plain. Once that is done, continue rolling it until you have a very flat and fluffy dough. I like this consistency. I'll have to cut it into a round shape, and I'll be using my pot cover for this, as it will give me a perfect round shape. You can use any round item you have. A pizza cutter, a plate, anything is fine as long as you get a shape as round as mine.
The next thing is to crisp our oatmeal wrap. But to do that, I'll just grease my pan. So you need just a little oil just so you can grease your pan. I'll just lay my dough on it and then leave it. Just fry it until it's crispy. Flip it over so you can also fry the other side. This looks okay, so I'll just transfer this into my plate.
Our tortilla wraps are ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this useful like I did. Please like and subscribe and click on the notification bell for notifications on our future videos. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.